Here are 5 good reasons why you should use Microsoft's data analysis tool, Power BI. You only pay one monthly license fee per user, which is at a price level everyone can afford. The intuitive visualizations transform your data into easy-to-understand charts and graphs. Access your reports wherever you are, when you need it, and from any type of device. Collect data from different sources so that you can access, view, analyze, and share it from one location. Use historical data to predict future trends and risks with AI-powered predictive analytics tools. For more information, please visit activebs.com. You can also follow us on social media, where we regularly post news that is relevant for you and your company.